flying aircraft ranging from World War I biplanes to corporate business jets.
Each one of these jumpers has approximately 60 pounds of gear added to them that they will use, and immediately upon hitting the ground, they're going to detach.
Freedom isn't free. Family here helping out, my son David, my daughter Angie, and before I fly up high of Folds of Honor, let's turn it up.
He's from Chandler, Arizona. Ladies and gentlemen, Kirby Chandler. Absolutely nothing. Upline, waiting plates running on his feet, buried in the smoke, ladies and gentlemen, coming backwards, 35 miles an hour, 45, I can't even see him, 55 miles an hour. The heavy end takes over and the live foaming engine pulling him back there.